opportunities to learn and perform.
In this new modern plant, I can release my full potential to show the best performance.
It is really nice to be part of this newly built and specialized team. Certainly a great environment to grow up professionally and personally.
We have model workplace and we take care of each other.
In the region, GF is an attractive employer with potential for further growth.
I can feel the great culture here. We help work.
I'm inspired every day here, and my colleagues are very caring.
With collaboration and teamwork, we can work creatively and find the best solutions for our customers.
We are now even closer to our customers and can deliver fast.
Latest sustainability standards ensure that we do no harm to our planet and all work safely together for sustainable mobility.
Our teams in China contribute to the safe infrastructure and clean waters in many regions worldwide.